Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to rename layer in ArcGIS. By default, when you add data to map, the resulting layer is named after its data source. You can give a layer name a more meaningful name without changing the source or the name of the data source. This will make it easier to understand which layer are on the map. So, two ways to rename your layer, and I will show you in this video. The first thing I want to do is to add is data, and I will use it to demonstrate how to rename layer. So I will just click on add data. For example, I want to use this 2027 land use land cover map. Select it and click on add. Yes, I have this land use land cover map, which is year 2017. As it is, this is just 2017 land use land cover map. It's not descriptive enough because I don't know where it belongs to. So if I want to rename it to show the actual place it belongs to, let me show you how to rename the layer. Two ways. The first way is to use this table of contents to rename it. For example, so to rename it, just click on the layer twice, but don't click it too fast. You click and then click again, so it will put it in editing mode for you such that you can now edit it. So what I mean is this: if it is like this, click on it and click on it again the second time, it will allow you can see the cursor blinking. It will now allow me to rename it. So I can now rename it and call it Ibadan 2017 land use land cover. You can see once I click outside, you can see that it has been renamed. So the name, I can correct it again. Yes, you can see Ibadan 2017 land use land cover. So I have gave it a descriptive name now. Now the second way of renaming it is to right click the layer. Right click and click on properties. When the properties open, come under general, and then here you can see the layer name. The layer name here is Ibadan 2017 land use land cover. Now if I want to rename, what I will need to do is to edit it here. Let me say I want to edit it as Ibadan Metropolis. Ibadan Metropolis 2017 land use land cover. So after that, click on OK. You will see the name has been changed accordingly. So this is how to rename a layer in ArcGIS. Two ways. Just click on the layer twice, but not too fast. It will put it in the editing mode. You can rename the layer, or you right click and go to the general menu and you rename the layer there. So this is how to do it. Thank you for watching.